You have just installed the Primavera P6 software and are ready to create your first project. However, before we start creating projects, it is important to organize our base properly, and this is done by creating the Enterprise Project Structure, or EPS. The EPS is the structure we use to categorize and organize all our projects within the software. For example, if you are working on several projects at the same time, A, B, and C, you can create separate categories for each one to make it easier to manage them. Let's take a look at the practical steps. Go to the Enterprise menu and select Enterprise Project Structure. To create a new level, select Add. Give it a unique code and name. To create a new level, select Add again. Give it a new code and name. When you create a new level, it appears as a sublevel of the first one. If you want to convert it to the same level, use the left arrow button. Every time you create or modify something, it is immediately updated in the database so you can check your changes in real time. If you accidentally create a level, you can simply delete it by selecting Delete or right-clicking. You can close the window by selecting Close. A note here, EPS is not a project in itself. It is a category, a folder. The actual projects will be created within each EPS category. In the next video, we will learn about the Organizational Breakdown Structure, OBS, another hierarchy within the Primavera software that is linked to who is responsible for each part of the project. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next lesson.